हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जानेंगे फुल फॉर्म्स। आयुष आयुर्वेदिक, योगा एंड नेचुरोपैथी, यूनानी, सिद्धा एंड होम्योपैथी। बार्क भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर। बीसीसीआई बोर्ड ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ क्रिकेट इन इंडिया। बीआईएस ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स। अमूल आनंद मिल्क यूनियन लिमिटेड। बीपीओ बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग। बीपीएल below poverty line and British Physical Laboratories Group. CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education. BRICS Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. CEO Chief Executive Officer. CID Crime Investigation Department. CISF Central Industrial Security Force. CRISIL Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. CRPF Central Reserve Police Force. DIG Deputy Inspector General. DLF Delhi Land and Finance. DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization. DST Department of Science and Technology. DVC Damodar Valley Corporation. ERP Enterprise Resource Planning. EPFO Employees Provident Fund Organization. FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation. WEF World Economic Forum. CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, Central Bank of India. FCI Food Corporation of India. UPSC Union Public Service Commission. WWF World Wide Fund for Nature or World Wrestling Federation. FIFA Federation International Day Football Association. UNICEF United Nations Children's Fund. UPA United Production of America and United Progressive Alliance. SWAT Special Weapons and Tactics. SAARC South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. UNESCO United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. TAFE Tractor and Farms Equipment. SME Small and Medium Sized Enterprises. SEBI Securities and Exchange Board of India. UGC, University Grant Commission. TOI, Times of India. SAP, Systems, Applications and Products. SOS, Save Our Souls. RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. RSS, Really Simple Syndication, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ. Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. ICWA, Institute of Cost and Work Accountants of India, Indian Child Welfare Act. IATA, International Air Transport Association. IBM, International Business Machines. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. IB, Intelligence Bureau. IMA, Indian Military Academy or Indian Medical Association. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. MS, Master of Science and Master of Surgery and Microsoft. IL&FS, Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services. IBM, International Business Machine. HUDCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. NAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group. ITC, Indian Tobacco Company, International Trade Center. L&T, Larsen and Toubro. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. IRCTC, Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation. SIT, Special Investigation Team. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NDTV, New Delhi Television. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. PSU, Public Sector Undertaking, Power Supply Unit. OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer. NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. IIFL, Indian Infoline Finance Limited. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Wipro, Western India Products. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. FMCG, Fast Moving Consumer Goods. IOC, International Olympic Committee. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. ISI, Indian Standards Institute, Inter Services Intelligence. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. ITI, Industrial Training Institute. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. LG, Lieutenant Governor. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. NCC, National Cadet Corps. IPI, International Press Institute. MTNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. Jio, Joint Implementation Opportunities. SC, Supreme Court. ED, Enforcement Directorate. SPG, Special Protection Guard. NSG, National Security Guard. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. BSF, Border Security Force. SSB, सशस्त्र सीमा बल. NHRC, National Human Rights Commission.